Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am working as a senior instructor mechanical GCT Multan. I am also the student of batch 3 Rehan school system in GCT Multan. I listened the video the power of vulnerability. In my point of view, I listen this video. I can brief in my point of view in this widely celebrated TED Talk. Researcher and storyteller Ben Brown explores one of the most fundamental human experiences, vulnerability. What starts as a scientific investigation into human connection and becomes a deeply personal journey that transforms her own life. Brown explains that after years of studying connection, what gives purpose of and meaning to our lives, she discovered that discussions about connection often led people to talk about shame, the fear of being unworthy of love and belonging. She defines shame as the belief that there is something about me that if others know it will make me unworthy connections. Through thousands of interviews and stories gathered over 6 years, she identifies two groups of people: those who feel a strong sense of love and belonging, those who struggle for it. Surprisingly, the difference between these groups is not their circumstances, but what they believe. People who feel love and belonging simply believe they are worthy of it. Brown call these individuals wholehearted people. They share several key traits: courage to embrace their imperfection, compassion for themselves and others, authenticity, choosing to be who they truly are rather than who they think they should be, a full acceptance of vulnerability, seeing it not as weakness but as necessary for connection, creativity, joy, and love. This discovery shakes Brown personally because as a researcher she loved to control prediction and certainty values completely to odds with vulnerability. Her struggle leads to what she humorously calls a breakdown, later reframed by her as a spiritual awakening. Through this awakening, she realized that modern society tries to avoid vulnerability by numbing feeling, striving for perfection, and seeking certainty, but we cannot selectively numb emotions. When we numb pain and fear, we also numb joy, gratitude, and happiness. Brown includes that to live fully we must let ourselves be seen deeply and vulnerably, love with whole hearts, even without guarantees. Practice gratitude. They joy even in moment of fear, believe that we are enough, which makes us kinder to ourselves and others. Her message is that embracing vulnerability is not a sign of kindness, weakness, it is the path to courage, connection, and meaningful living. If you don't like, I can also create. In powerful and deeply relatable TED Talk in research and storyteller shares the surprising discoveries from the decade-long study on human connection. He research initially focused on connection, which she argues is the fundamental purpose of human life. However, when she interviews people about connection, they constantly talk about disconnection stories of heartbreak, exclusion, and loneliness. The pattern leads Brown to identify a central force that unravels connection. Shame, she describes shame as fear of disconnection. They believe that something about us makes us unworthy of love and belonging. Shame is universal. She emphasizes who don't experience it lack capacity for empathy. She cultivated the belief that we are enough. This belief, she argues, transforms the way we live, love, parent, and connect with others. Thank you.